There she is. Not too bad. That's not good. Just dented right in there. This side's too good. Let's see a bit more of that. So, previous body work did okay. Chipping and cracking, it's already rusting a little bit. Too sure what they were doing, but it's already chipping, cracking, rust on the inside. Yeah, it's all coming through. Spot right there. Seeing more of it right here. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Now they did, previous owner did say that they had that fixed up. The other side has something similar. Emblem here, antenna's broken off. More of the same state for the hood. Emblem busted here, but that's okay. Once again, more rusting, more chipping. Body work wasn't that great here. Just some repairs right there. Just more going on. Glass is pretty good. Trim is alright, a little dented, but roof is solid. This side ain't too bad, just more of the same stuff. So now we're gonna go look at the engine bay here. Just let me try to find out. It's like one of the second, there it is. Give her a pull. Give her a pull and lift a bit. Oh shit, okay. You know what we're gonna do. Yeah. Second. Pull. And up. There we go. So, when I did see this for the first time, when the previous guy was showing it to me, I was quite surprised. Quite clean. 327, and it doesn't look too bad. It's got the original, I think, Quadrajet, like mechanical fuel pump. Everything pretty most as simple as you can get, honestly. It's got heater, heat only, alternator. No power steering, no AC. Pretty as basic as you can get. Obviously it runs off a water pump, fan with clutch. Get your stock radiator. He attempted to put in a, it's not hooked up right now, a little security system that I guess lets you know someone's under the hood when they shouldn't be. I have the battery taken out right now, so think about cleaning up the little tray, a little battery acid, clean that out. And as of now, there is no downpipe. It's just two manifolds. That's it. I'll tell you, when he was trying to get this onto the trailer, this thing was very loud. And not a fan of this, but I don't know why people do this, but it seems like when they were just painting over the engine bay, getting it all black, it seemed like the guy didn't give a care about the master cylinder, brake booster, shoot, even the wiring. I don't know if you can see that. It's all black, just painted over, shoot, even this wiper thing. You can tell that, yeah. Well, not too bad. The hood itself, let's see if I get this right. Hood itself, the right lighting, you could almost see, oh, here we go. I apologize, it's very dark. Yeah, see that little square panel there? So the hood itself has been repaired, patched holes. Explains why half of it's all freaking may have been bondoed up for a bit. One side's a little higher than the other. Other than that, she typically runs. She's got HEI distributor. I've seen her run. She needs a bit of a tune. Needs to be timed correctly. And unfortunately, as you can't see that, brought the timing gun and I find out we're no timing tab. So gonna have to go get one. Unfortunately, this is a 6-inch harmonic balancer, very tiny for these older 327s. So we're gonna have to figure that one out. This one has, well, probably can't see it. This one does have front discs. You can barely see the caliper there. Front discs, rear drums. .327. So my plans for it is I do plan to make it at least solid driver. Bought it back in December and trailered it home. She runs and drives technically. There's no exhaust, it's just exhaust manifold. You can only imagine the noise trying to get this thing on the trailer. She runs, but I haven't started her in like 2-3 months, so it is March now. And so my goal is to just get her, see if I can get her running, drivable again. She's been sitting too long. Hopefully the tires aren't getting to flat spots. Now, I haven't really worked on these before. This is probably new to me. And I see on YouTube there actually is not much information as far as like all the technical things on putting it back together. There's like maybe one video of the guy taking it out, like the gauge cluster or something like that. So I plan to try to document my work as I'm trying to figure out how to quote unquote, I guess, restore this thing. I think the biggest expense here is going to be the body work, just because the previous owner and maybe a buddy of his tried to do it, and it's just, yeah, it's cracking all over the body. So there might be a lot to uncover here. But yeah, I still plan, like I said, I just wanted to go record this, document my experience. I'm trying to make it nice again, basically. I'm gonna try to document it, help you guys out. Maybe put some more content for these 6.7s up there. Yeah, because it's gonna need a lot of work. Oh yeah, look at that. But she's clean enough. I think this is quite doable. I could totally tackle this one. Probably not the body work. Maybe. I don't know. Interior's pretty solid. Check it out. Unfortunately, the previous owner did some, or at least attempted to do his own upholstery. Yeah, they tried to go for some black and blue scheme. Yeah, that didn't work too well. To be honest, I wish he didn't really mess with it too much. That's okay. You can just buy some new door cards. There we go. Doors function, locks work. Attachment, little windows work. Wing windows, regular windows. Not too bad. So the interior's still here. It's just I took them out, took the seats out inside the house right now. Steering wheel. So this one is a manual. 3 in the tree. Does have all the usual fan, blower. It's got the aftermarket radio. Lovebox is fine. It's got that Impala emblem. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna have to figure out how to open this because it doesn't quite want to open. It's unlocked right now. Dash is correct. Little pieces. Might put a little cover on that. Doesn't bother me too much. So one, the interior, there's a lot of little bits, little small stuff that you put on here. Thread, this piece right here. I think this is a little corner molding for the back glass. I think I see that on eBay for a lot. I think this one may be washer fluid container. Yeah. So this not too bad. The vehicle does run. It's just I got a whole bunch of extra stuff from the previous owner, so I just got it a couple months back ago, say December. And it's not too bad. The package tray in the back does have some damage there, as you can see. Oh, I'm just gonna remove this. That's also a valuable part. Package tray has been rusted out, so at least I could maybe install some speakers on one side, the other side. Well, probably figure that out. Back glass is okay. Need to recheck the very back just to make sure there's no rust going on. But overall, the glass works, windows work. It's missing a visor, rearview mirror. Of course, gotta have that. Let's see what else I'm missing. Yeah, gotta get the panels for that, which I do have. Gotta get the corner panels. The previous owner did put, I don't know if you can see too well, a headliner in there already. Probably not the cleanest work, but I guess once you get the trim in there, yeah, chances are, oh come on, focus. Focus now, there we go. Basically, we're probably gonna keep that on there. Yeah. He also just did claim he put new carpet in, which I'm just saying, I need a lot of work, a lot of cleaning. Some loose wiring for some speaker system that I guess I could probably put in later. Let's see if you can see that little floor kick panel vents. They work. Cigarette lighter works. Headlights work. Shifter may need some adjustment. Probably gotta do that in the engine bay. This right here is the hazards. I think you push that in. Yep. You pull that out. Hazard lights, that works. Dash lights work. Oh, this right here, the panel's a little foggy. Gotta get that cleaned up. Horn works, surprisingly. A lot works. Like, the battery's not in the car, but when you do open the doors, of course they got the little sensor there. I'll switch. The interior lights do turn on, both of them. So that is very cool.